Well, when I filmed the giveaway video today, I wasn't planning on seeing this, but I figured it would be something that I need to film because I have a feeling that I'm going to be talking about it here in the next few videos. So it's been raining, like I said, for the past month, probably all but 2 days a week. And this is what we have going on now. Yep. So I think our drainage pipe down there is completely clogged up with mud and sticks and whatever else that come from the backyard. But as of right now, half of my backyard is completely underwater. And by the time this all recedes and goes back, I feel like I'm gonna have a mess to clean up. So the next time you see this in a video will hopefully be when the water's gone and we can figure out what the heck is going on back there. Alright guys, so it is the day after it flooded back here, so I'm out here checking it out. And it's still pretty wet right there and back into the center section. But you can see right here behind me, that's all the mess that I get to clean up in the yard. So it's not super bad. It's really just a bunch of mulch from when we had the guy come out here with the mulcher and take a lot of that stuff down. So all of it just washed down into the yard. And I was scared this drain down here was clogged up, but it did dry up pretty quick. So I don't think the drain's clogged. I just think it rained so much that there wasn't anywhere for the water to go. So you can see right here, that pipe is where the water goes in and then all the way across the street. So I'm assuming last night it was just raining so hard that it wasn't able to get enough water running through it. It doesn't look completely clogged up. It is a mess all the way around it because of all this junk, but I don't think there's anything inside the pipe that I have to worry about. But all this stuff out here, I'm gonna try to blow it with my leaf blower. It's mostly the mulch from when the guy came out to mulch. And then there are a few big sticks and stuff, but I'm just gonna leave this here for now because I don't have time to clean it up. But I think just taking my leaf blower across this and spreading it out, it'll fall in the grass and it'll disintegrate and I won't really have to worry about it. Then I'll just pick up the big sticks. So today, something exciting happened and we got the back part of this lot completely leveled out and ready to throw some grass seeds. So we're gonna be able to transform at least half of this that we had all that pile of wood pulled out. But a couple days ago, my dad and I also went up on the hill. I took my truck and drove through most of the top section there because it is pretty flat now since all the trees have been removed. It's mostly just weeds and stuff growing up top. But we went back there, knocked that out with some glyphosate. So here in a couple weeks, all of that stuff is gonna start dying off. We'll be able to clean it out and then we'll throw some grass seed up there as well. But this right here was actually an unexpected surprise. So I was actually planning on coming out here with a rake and trying to flatten out any of the stuff from the excavator, just some of the bigger hills, and then just throw the seed on top of that. But our neighbor here actually owns part of this dirt right here. So he actually got his brother-in-law to come out with a bobcat. He took it, smoothed it out so we could plant some grass seeds. We could get it cleaned up right behind his house. And I'm super excited because now we're gonna have grass going from here, so now we're gonna have grass going from our yard all the way up to the top of the road. And then hopefully really soon, we're gonna have some grass on that backside as well. So the only downfall about planting grass right now is that it's super hot. We are just now getting into summer. And I think today was the first day we hit 90 degrees. So I'm sure we have a lot more coming after today. But the grass seed that we throw today probably won't take off as good as I want it to. But my plan is to just get some grass down, keep it mowed, and keep it where hopefully it won't wash out too bad before fall. And then we'll come back in, overseed it, and make it look really, really nice. So this will be the first step in the transformation. And the first thing I'm gonna do is still take my landscape rake out here. And any of the high spots that are left over, I'm just gonna kind of knock them down, walk the land, see what it looks like up close. And then once we get done with that, we'll start throwing some grass seed. And once that's all complete, hopefully it'll rain a couple days here in the next weekend and get that seed watered in. But hopefully it's not gonna wash away because that seems to be the biggest problem we have back here. got the entire thing raked. That took a lot more work than I was expecting it to, but now it's nice and flat. I'll be able to throw my seed and be able to mow it and not have any trouble with it taking the lawnmower across it. But I do think that I don't have enough seed, but I will go ahead and get another bag whenever I get done throwing these two down. Then once I get done with that, we'll hopefully have some grass starting to grow. Hopefully the rain will come. If not, I'll get my sprinkler out and make sure it comes in and holds the dirt where we need it. Alright guys, so I got both bags of seed down. So if you are wondering, I did use the Scott Southern Gold blend for tall fescue yards. So this is what I've overseeded my yard with in the past, and it is a super dark green color. It's an awesome grass. But I really want to overseed in the fall with some elite varieties that I've never tried before. So something from Pete over at GCI Turf or another blend like that has zero weed seeds. It's all elite varieties of grass. So I'll probably overseed all of my yard with a much higher quality grass seed in the fall. But for now, knowing that I'm going into summer, I just went ahead and grabbed the best box store bag that I could get just to throw back there and get it started pretty quick. If you guys are enjoying watching this thing grow, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. We just went over 300 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy to me. And right now I'm trying to get up to 500, and I'm hoping this series will bring a lot more people in. So if you know anybody that's interested in yard work or seeing a transformation like this, seeding something all the way from the dirt up into a beautiful yard, definitely let them know about it so they can watch as well. Well, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.